Today, we will discover how to spot setups quickly. We will be observing the price action in detail for momentum trading. Furthermore, we will improve our trading skills to achieve pro trader level. If you're ready, let's go! As you already know, we are passing through extremely weak days in stock and crypto markets. The only thing that rallying is probably gold. Swing investors already know why I like gold so much. It is a crash protection insurance for me. So anyway, let's check out one of the top loser coins and beautiful price action for today. First, I'll talk about the price action, then I will give you the secret of finding great setups quickly. First of all, notice this specific previous week and day low points. It stays as our institutional targets, a location that price can easily hit. You can see that this asset is in general downtrend in couple of the recent days. What I'm interested in this specific location, because this is where the real price action happens for me. With our momentum indicator, you can see that price is strongly crashing with a lot of bearish imbalances heading towards the PDL and PWL. For a moment, price stops and pullbacks to our multi-level imbalance area. This is our POI zone. This is how we notice great entry zones. Now let's open lower time frames and talk further. So, you already know that this is our multi-level imbalance zone. Now we can use the price action with smart money concepts. First obvious concept is our equal lows below, combined with PDL and PWL. Secondly, of course, my beloved support and resistance Philip location. Now let me zoom in the area. You can also notice the inner imbalance as well, right here. What happens here? Market structure, the inner structure shifts, and small inner pullback, and right after that the crash to hunt our main targets. As you can see, this is a solid and high quality setup here. How I teach things in the masterclass. Now let's talk about the secrets of finding these setups the fastest way. First of all, I want you to forget all of the smart money concepts for a moment. Do not bother. I do not care for PDL, PWL, equal lows, imbalances, or anything else. Secondly, create a broad watch list of crypto futures, stocks if you want, Forex pairs maybe, gold, Nasdaq, or other indices. Collect them in the one single list. Third, with our ICT high time frame indicator, quickly scan them. Spot rallying or crashing assets. But more importantly, spot the multi-level imbalance zones. Just the way I teach it. This is the secret. Once you spot the multi-level areas, then you shall check out the market structure and targets and use all other smart money concepts. Targets like equal lows, equal highs, PDL, PWL, daily or weekly imbalances, or other concepts like SR Phillips, Fibonacci, optimal trade entries, and so on. All these come later as secondary steps. So the first thing you shall do, spot the POI area with our beloved indicator. The rest of the smart money comes later. We discussed it a lot today. Time to have a break and get some rest to enjoy the rest of the day, people. See you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested,